So we're here at the DATRON booth. We're offering the DATRON Neo today. It's our new version. It's the Pro. It comes standard with linear scales for tire accuracy. The machine can cut aluminum, any non-ferrous material, plastics, composites, even some steel and titanium. Typical tool depth is about 2 inches, and it's a high-speed 40,000 RPM spindle. Right now, currently, it's milling at 38,000 RPM. It's one of the easiest to use controls in the industry. It's like running an iPad. So we have 2 offices, one in California in the Bay Area and one out in New Hampshire. The machines are all made in Germany.
You have a website?
Yep, datron.com. And then we have multiple people all over the US to help with sales and service. Most of our line is all 3-phase power. However, the Neo you can do in single-phase or 3-phase. So it makes it easy. You can put it at your home, in a garage, for hobbyists, anybody.
How many bits can you have in the back?
It's a 24-tool tool changer. You can actually use anyone's tools. So it's nice. It's not a proprietary system. We do have adapters for anything under an 8mm shank. And as you can see, it's doing a tool change now.
Yeah, I saw that, and it also calibrates itself at the
Correct.
end.
Yep. So it has a tool length setter in the back. It has a Renishaw touch probe for finding material.
And you say aluminum. What else? What other material?
Aluminum. All the non-ferrous. So copper, brass, anything softer. Composites. So carbon fiber, G10, FR4, and then any of plastics.
Okay. So PVC,
Yeah.
PLA.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we do have customers that run titanium and steel because it's more about the part than it is about can it run the material. You'll see a spray mist coming out.
Okay, so it does cool down with some. What is it called again?
Ethanol.
Ethanol. You can't see the spray here, but it is spraying in there, so it could cool the bit down. Really. Let's see.
So it's a 10-liter ethanol tank.
Oh, okay, okay.
And it's mostly using air and just a little bit of ethanol to cool.
And these are the parts that you guys printed out?
Yeah, this is just milling a bottle opener. So you just pop open your bottles right there.
That's pretty cool.
You can keep that one.